Welcome to Best Choice. The best classic guitar is probably one of the most elegant and versatile instruments you can find. With its nylon strings and warm tones, the classic guitar has captivated musicians for centuries. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, the classic guitar offers a unique musical experience. In this video, we'll explore the world of classic guitars, from their history to what makes them so special. Number 5. Best Choice Products 38 inches Acoustic Guitar Starter Kit. This complete kit includes everything you need to start playing. It comes with a gig bag, strap, picks, and more. It's all you need to get started. Enjoy 4 months of free lessons with our partner, Fret Zealot. The app offers lessons for all levels and a digital tuner. It makes learning easy. This guitar is designed for comfort and ease of play. It's suitable for both teenagers and adults. It's a great way to learn a new skill. The guitar features a classic acoustic shape with an improved design. The fretboard and strings are closer together, reducing finger fatigue. You can play for hours. Nylon strings are easier on your fingers and stay in tune. They also reduce damage to the guitar bridge. This produces a beautiful tone. What we like. This guitar comes with everything you need to start playing, right out of the box. It features nylon strings, which are easier on your fingers and stay in tune. If you're a beginner looking for a hassle-free experience with included lessons, this is a great choice. You'll be strumming along in no time. What people say. It's amazingly well made and sounds and plays fantastic. This digital tuner that comes with the guitar is a good one and super easy to use. It's cute, good quality, and it is so easy to tune the strings with the electronic tuner. Number 4. Best Choice Products 41 inches Acoustic Guitar Starter Set. This complete set has everything you need to start playing. It includes a carrying case, extra strings, a strap, a capo, and picks. You won't need to buy anything else to get started. Whether you're just starting out or have some experience, this guitar is a great choice. Its dreadnought shape produces a warm and pleasant tone. It's designed to be comfortable for players of all levels. Take your guitar wherever you go with the included case. It has foam padding and a shockproof bottom to keep it safe. There's even a front storage area for your accessories. The 41-inch body provides a comfortable fit for any player. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced musicians. You'll enjoy playing for hours. The guitar features an elegant inlay and a cutaway shape for easy access to higher frets. A pickguard is included to protect the finish from scratches. It looks as good as it sounds. What we like. This guitar is designed with a comfortable 41-inch body, perfect for both beginners and experienced players. It also includes a protective carrying case, making it easy to take with you. If you're looking for a full-size guitar with added convenience and protection, this is the one for you. What people say. It looks so beautiful. The quality is so amazing truly, it sounds like a very professional or one of those expensive guitars. It's still in perfect condition and sounds great. Number 3. Pyle 36 Beginner Acoustic Guitar Kit. This complete set from Pyle has everything you need to start playing. It includes a gig bag, spare strings, picks, a cleaning cloth, and a shoulder strap. It's the perfect package for any aspiring guitarist. This 36-inch guitar is a 3/4 junior size, ideal for lessons, recitals, or practicing at home. Its classic body style makes it great for beginners and children learning to play. It's designed for comfort and ease of use. The guitar features handcrafted construction with a linden wood body and a birch headstock. It has a dyed maple wood fretboard and a high-gloss polished body with a sunburst pattern. This gives it a beautiful look and feel. This sunburst acoustic guitar kit is excellent for beginners and children. Everything you need to start playing is included, so you can start learning right away. It's a great way to get started with guitar. The guitar has a total length of 36 inches and a scale length of 22.8 inches. It features 18 frets and a linden wood body with nylon strings. The dimensions are 35.8 inch L x 13.4, W x 3.35 h. What we like. This guitar is a 3/4 junior size, making it ideal for younger players or those who prefer a smaller instrument. It's handcrafted with a beautiful sunburst finish. If you're looking for a great starter guitar for a child or someone with a smaller frame, this is a fantastic option. What people say. It's solid, with nice tone and a neck width and length he can handle. The intonation is very good for the price, just a few cents off at the octave. The nylon strings are a must for kids' fingers on any cheap acoustic guitar. Number 2. Best Choice Products 41 inches Acoustic Guitar Starter Set. This full-size 41-inch guitar is perfect for musicians of all levels. It features a 21-fret fingerboard and steel strings, making it ideal for learning and playing. The guitar's natural, all-wood design gives it a sleek, classic look. The detailed markings add to its visual appeal, making it a stylish instrument. This set includes everything you need to start playing. It comes with a pick guard, capo, strap, extra strings, and a cleaning rag. Take your guitar anywhere with the included foam-padded nylon gig bag. It protects the guitar from dust and scratches while you're on the move. The guitar is ready to use right out of the box, with no assembly required. You can start playing immediately and enjoy the music. What we like. This full-size guitar boasts a stylish, all-wood design. It comes with all the accessories you need to get started. If you like a classic look and want a guitar that's ready to play right away, this is a great choice. What people say. The guitar is worth the subpar starter kit that comes with it for the price you pay for everything. The guitar itself is very well put together for the price and the sound quality is great once it is properly tuned. This is a great beginner guitar and my daughter is very pleased with the sound and quality. Number 1. ADM 39 Classical Guitar Starter Kit. This 39-inch classical guitar kit includes everything a beginner needs. It comes with essential accessories and free lessons to get you started right away. This set saves you both time and money. The guitar features a solid spruce top, NATO neck, and basswood back and sides. These materials create a richer and brighter sound. The durable construction includes high-quality machine heads for easy tuning. The guitar's design includes scalloped X bracing for better durability and a comfortable action. It produces a balanced tone with a full, rich intermediate frequency. The nylon strings are also gentle on the fingers, perfect for beginners. This instrument kit is an excellent choice for beginners, students, and young players. It's a complete package that provides everything needed to start playing immediately. It's a wonderful gift for any occasion. The guitar may need tuning upon arrival due to transportation. New strings will stretch, so retune it frequently at first. After a few tunings, it will stay in tune for longer periods. What we like. This guitar offers a comprehensive beginner set with free lessons. It's made with selected materials for a richer sound. If you are a beginner looking for a complete package with lessons, this is a great choice. You'll have everything you need to start your musical journey. What people say. It has a truss rod so is adjustable. I was amazed at the craftsmanship and beautiful sound for such a low-priced guitar. The classical guitar is light and comfortable to play. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.